Most English learners understand many words, but real natural English still feels fast and confusing. If this happens to you, breathe out slowly. There is nothing wrong with you. This session will gently train your ears with short stories, soft visuals, and simple, clear English. Each scene will help you feel calmer, more confident, and more connected to the language. Sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, take one slow breath in and one slow breath out. And let's begin part 2 of your 30-minute English listening challenge. Segment 1, Early Morning Rain Story. Early in the morning, the city is still quiet. The sky is light gray, and soft rain begins to fall, tapping gently on rooftops, trees, and closed windows like tiny fingers. Anaya wakes up to this sound. She stretches slowly, sits on the edge of her bed, and just listens. The rain feels peaceful, like a soft song welcoming the day. She walks to her kitchen and makes a warm cup of coffee. Steam rises slowly from the mug as she stands near the window. Outside, the road is shiny with rainwater. People walk with umbrellas, some bright red, some blue, some black, moving calmly through the soft rain. A cyclist passes by very slowly, trying not to splash the water. A tiny dog steps in a small puddle, jumps back, and then shakes its fur quickly, making Anaya smile. She sits down with her notebook, holds her pen for a moment, and writes one simple sentence. Today, I will move gently and calmly. The rain continues softly in the background, giving her morning a quiet, comforting start and a steady, peaceful mood. Segment 2, Marketplace Moments. Later in the afternoon, Omar visits the local market near his home. The market is busy but cheerful, full of color and gentle noise. Vendors call out their prices, children run around with snacks in their hands, and the smell of fresh fruits and street food fills the air. Omar walks slowly, enjoying the colors around him: bright oranges, dark green vegetables, shiny red apples, and golden yellow bananas stacked neatly in rows. He stops at a small flower stall where a woman is arranging roses and lilies with great care, turning each flower until it looks perfect. Omar buys a single flower, not for anyone else, just for himself, and it makes him quietly happy. As he walks, he notices a young couple sharing one coconut water, laughing softly at a small joke. He sees a tailor sitting outside his shop, sewing quietly with full focus, his needle moving up and down in a steady rhythm. These tiny moments make Omar feel connected to the world around him, warm, simple, and alive. Segment 3, Quick Listening Twist, Adventure in a Train. In the evening, Priya decides to take a short train ride to a nearby town. She loves looking out of the window while the train moves. As the train starts, she hears familiar sounds: wheels rolling on the tracks, a distant whistle blowing, and people chatting softly around her. The train moves faster. Trees, buildings, and green fields pass by like moving pictures on a long screen. Priya feels calm but also a little excited. Suddenly, she notices a group of school children laughing loudly at a joke only they understand. A woman near the window reads a book with deep concentration, her eyes moving line by line. A man tries to take a nap, but keeps waking up each time the train shakes gently. Priya smiles to herself. She takes out her camera and captures a few photos: the blur of the fields, the warm colors of the sunset, and the dark shapes of distant hills against the sky. When the train reaches her stop, she steps out feeling refreshed, like she has taken a tiny adventure just by sitting near the window and paying attention. Segment 4. Riverbank Relaxation. Now, imagine you are sitting near a calm river. The water moves slowly, making small ripples that catch the soft evening sunlight. A cool breeze touches your face. The air feels clean and light. The sky is clear, with shades of orange and pink as the sun begins to set behind the trees. You hear distant voices, people talking softly, maybe walking with their families on a path nearby. Birds fly low over the water, searching for a quiet place to rest for the night. You place your hands on the cool stone beside you and take a long, slow breath in and a long, slow breath out. This moment is simple, peaceful, and steady. It is a moment where your mind feels light, open, safe, and ready to learn. Segment 5. Problem and Solution with Maya. This week, Maya faced a challenge at college. She had an important presentation, but her laptop battery suddenly died just minutes before she had to present. For a moment, she froze. Panic started to rise in her chest, but she stopped herself. She looked around quickly and found a charging spot near the wall. She connected her laptop, checked that it was charging, and took a slow, deep breath. While waiting for a little charge, she opened her notebook and reviewed her key points, underlining the most important ideas. She reminded herself quietly, "I know my topic. I can do this." When it was her turn, she walked to the front of the room and presented calmly and confidently. Her classmates clapped, and her teacher praised her work. Maya realized something important. Problems feel smaller when the mind is steady and the breath is slow. Segment 6. End of Day Forest Walk. Now imagine you are walking along a small forest path in the early evening. The ground is soft with dried leaves under your feet. The air is cool and fresh. The sun is low, and golden light filters through the tall trees, making long shadows on the path. You hear light footsteps, your own steps, one after another. You hear birds settling for the night, their voices becoming softer. You hear the gentle whisper of the wind moving through the branches above you, like a quiet song. With every step, your mind becomes calmer. Your breathing becomes deeper and more relaxed. You feel grounded, steady, and peaceful, fully present in this simple walk through the forest. Well done. You've just completed part 2 of your English listening challenge. Every session makes your ears sharper, your mind calmer, and your understanding of English stronger and more natural. If this helped you, tap subscribe and stay with these peaceful, simple English listening sessions. Your fluency grows one calm moment at a time, one soft story at a time. See you in part 3.